Because at the end of the day, when you want to create business, when you want to create the life that you want, whether you like it or not, there's one thing that's more important. Ask me what? Transformation. If you're just there listening, writing your notes, tapos walang nangyari. Except lang, we just have to make sure what we know should match how we feel. But how we feel should match how we move. But you have to get into that system. Then before my 50th birthday, God gave me the greatest gift that I cannot even imagine, living the beautiful paradise that I cannot even imagine owning it. Ask me how. Connect to the source. Before my CMB, business-wise, I'm extremely happy. I'm able to create the enormous amount of income that I have before CMB. The bad news here is, it's been 3 years by July that I am a full-time content creator. You want to know the bad news? Yes or no? Yes. My life and my business did not only turn 10x, but it turned 100x. Wow. Good or good? Good. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, friend, ready ka na ba? Maging content creator. Tapos, i-emphasize mo sa content creator nga ni. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. So, yung job ko dito is hindi ko tayo tuturuan tungkol sa content creator, pero ang job ko dito is to make sure that your content have a context. Have a container, have a vessel, or have a something that will support you, because at the end of the day, this is not about you becoming rich and famous right now, but it's you making sure that you're in here for long term. Because at the end of the day, when you want to create business, when you want to create the life that you want, whether you like it or not, there's one thing that's more important. Ask me what? Transformation. And maybe some of you nagtataka, bakit ganon? Business mastery, content mastery bootcamp, bakit may pasayaw-sayaw, may patawa-tawa? And that's the whole point, and that's why I'm here. The whole point here is I will be supporting you as a business owner on how you can create a life not only as a content creator, but as a good parent, as a good daughter, but as well as a good member of your community or your church that will allow you to bless the world simply because of the message that you have in this world. Are you with me? Because at the end of the day, I'm proud because, again, I just came from a 2 weeks vacation. From San Francisco, I went to Alaskan cruise, and then we went to Boston. And then after a week, I'm off already for 3 weeks vacation in Japan. And then we will be in Calgary with Real Talk Darbs. Whole month of June, bakasyon ako. But here's the thing. Ask me what? I run 34 companies. Except that, ask me why? I have the time freedom to do whatever I want to do. Is that exciting? How many of you know a lot of people, they have so much money, but they don't have time to enjoy their life. Meron ba dito sa inyo? Taas ang kamay mo. You have so much money, but you don't have time to enjoy your life. Wow. Yeah, at least, di ba? Palakpakan natin, no? Ramdam ko siya. Parang gusto ko siya maging best friend, si Remy, no? Tayo ka nga, palakpakan natin, no? Parang yung suot niya, hindi mo talaga mapansin na talagang siya yung si Remy, no? Palakpakan natin, no? At least, meron tayong kasamahan dito na they have so much time, they have so much money, but don't have time to enjoy it. Are you with me? How many of you have so much time, but maybe you don't have much money to enjoy your time? Raise your hand. Wow, palakpakan natin. At least, di ba? For me, Saj, time is the most important asset that I have right now. Time. Back to back. Ganun po ka-tight ang time ko. Now, how many of you here, you know a lot of people, or maybe you, wala nang time, wala pang pera to enjoy. Raise your hand. And you know the saddest part? Ask me what's the saddest part? 95% of population worldwide is in that space. Ask me why? Because we were never taught the importance of lies. So which means what I'd like to share with you today is the 3 ways of working with people. How many ways? 3. So if you are leading people, the first way of actually supporting people, I hope you have your notebook and your pen because again, not a lot of people can afford this type of seminar. But hopefully you can share this with the people around you, especially your own employees, your own team. Are you with me? The first way of working with people for us to create the result that we want, the goal that we want, is what we call number one, informational. Or what we call instructional. When we want to create the result that we want, importante bang instruction? Importante ba ang information? But here's the thing, if information and instruction is only what you have, how many percent do you think your success rate is? Huwag nyo nang hulaan. Sabihin ko na sa iyo. Ask me how. Maximum 7%. Sige nga, sino dito, you want to be healthy and fit body? Raise your hand. And the best way you can measure the healthy and fit is to lose your weight. Raise your hand. We all know how to lose weight. Yes or yes? We all have the information. Yes or yes? At sabihin mo sa kanila, how come? Sabihin mo sa kanila, how come? Nandyan pa yung mga taba na yan. Real talk lang! Di ba? We know how to go about it. We know how to this, but how come it's not happening? Because why? Information, instruction, maximum 7% only. How many of you have employees, binigyan mo ng instruction, napakaklaro, pinaulit-ulit mo pa, after a week, ganun pa rin. Raise your hand. Yeah. Because why? This is not gonna work. We all have the information in the world. YouTube University. Now, don't get me wrong. All my life, 46-inch waistline. Something must be not working. Some of us is only relying on number two. Number two, working with people is what we call motivational. What's the word? Or maybe inspirational. You can do this! Ra, 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 no? And then we did everything to motivate our team, to motivate ourselves. Lahat na ng why nandyan, wala pa rin nangyari. Diba? Good for 1 week lang, good for 2 weeks, good for 3 days. Diba? Sino dito na alam nyo, one of the best ways for you to be very healthy right now is what we call intermittent fasting. Raise your hand. Tapos meron pang OMAD. What is OMAD? Wow! Alam nila, no? Pero bakit ganyan ka pa rin? Totoo lang, honest lang ako. Right? Bakit ganun pa rin? Because it's not enough. Kahit ipasok ko pa si Boss Sanchez dito or si kung sino mga pastor na pastor mag-pray sa'yo, walang mangyayari. Ask me why. Maximum only 38%. Our job here in the next 3 days, and that will be my only job here, is to make sure, number 3, we introduce to you the word transformation. What's the word? So when we say transformation, it's really understanding that it's never the how. It's not even the why. It's always the who. So which means before we give you the content of the how to, we must make sure ready yung context ng who is. Because at the end of the day, it's never what's going on outside there, but it's really who the content creator is. And that is my job here. And therefore, I want you to understand that your only job, if you want to live a happy, exciting, grateful life until your last breath, ask me what? Your job here is personal transformation. And this might be your beginning. This might be your genesis of how we can now really create a life wherein kahit wala kang information, kahit wala kang motivation, yung buhay na gusto mo, kusang nangyayari. Okay ba yon? Which is the first thing here is I'd like you to understand, if we can all read my first slide. In fairness, my slides na ako. Okay, just repeat after me. Your business, ready, begin.
Your business
Is never about your business. But it is a direct reflection of your level of your personal transformation. Pwede bang magyabang? Right? So I own 34 companies. And these are not just pocho-pocho companies. These are change maker of the country. And yet I have all the time to enjoy what I want to enjoy in my life. How many of you here somehow lang nasusundan na ako sa social media? Ay, grabe, may mga follower na. Payakap. Ganyan ako, ganyan.
Starstruck ako pag
Magpa-picture ka sana dapat.
Kaya nga niya.
Dapat i-ano mo, no? But somehow, when you see my social media, 95 to 99% of what they do is never about work. Ask me why. Because everyone in my team understand that the only way we can create our result is through transformation. Because when you transform yourself, when you transform everyone in your team, if they need information, they look for it, true or true. If they need instruction, they will instruct themselves. And yet, you don't need to motivate them. You just have to support them with the word of transformation. That is where I'm coming from. Because at the end of the day, what is the huge transformation? Ask me what? Repeat after me. I am not a human being in physical form, but I am actually a spiritual being in a human experience. Yet we forget who we are. A lot of times, we live our life normal. What is normal? Stress, anxiety, overwhelmment. Normal lang yan. True or true? What is the opposite of normal? Natural. Right? As natural, nature, beautiful creation of Almighty, I call Him God, you deserve to live a life with an effortless ease, flow, joy, freedom, abundance, and yet it's not happening. Ask me why. We all live here. And therefore, my job right now is to introduce to you how do we now help you understand transformation and experience it after I talk about this. Are you with me? As human being, okay? We're made of 3 parts. How many parts? 3. First part is our mind. Mental. Second part is what we call our heart. Emotional. Third part is our body, which is actually physical. So today, in the Content Mastery Bootcamp, all the things that when you attend seminar, it's all here. It's all in the mind. Alam natin anong gagawin, pero bakit hindi nangyayari? Diba? Tapos yung team song natin, gusto kong bumait. Nasa Diyos ang awa. Kago sinasama pan, Lord. Huwag ganyan. We know what to do, but it's not happening. Ask me why. Maybe we don't understand and we were not trained to be human being with emotion. Maybe there's too much heaviness in our heart and we call this your bags that's stepping you away from the dreams that you want. And therefore, yung kilos mo, hindi match. But we all live here. I'm not sure if you're aware, but the number one humanity problem on earth right now is depression. Are you aware of that? Yeah, young people, number of suicide cases off the roof. Scary. And I understand why. The opposite of depression is expression. And yet we were not trained how to express. And because we cannot express, what we do is we keep it in our body. And that becomes our disease. That becomes all the ailment. That's a norm. Tama ba yung norm? The older you get, the health problem becomes higher. Yes or yes? That's normal. Yes or yes? But that's not natural. In the Old Testament, gaano katagal yung mga classmate natin, tita? Gaano katagal natitira? 200, 300, may 900 years pa nga eh. Tama ba? So again, it's not normal, but we are natural being. Creation. And this is where I want you to start letting you know that at the end of the day, when you stand in front of your camera and you don't feel like doing it, maybe because you carry a lot of things that hopefully we can start working on a day-to-day basis. Okay ba yon? And that's why we put that in here simply because we want to support you in understanding yourself better. Would that be okay? So, Pilipinas, game ka na ba?
Game na!
Because in a moment, okay, we will be doing a lot of exercises here. You're not just gonna watch me, because when you only watch me, what will happen? Right now, what's only functioning is your mind. And according to Albert Mehrabian, you know who Albert Mehrabian is? Yung taga Barangay Marikina. Okay, according to Albert Mehrabian, effectivity of mind only is 7%. How many percent? And our heart is 38%. How many percent? And our body is 55%. So therefore, if you're just there listening, writing your notes, tomorrow, ano nga yun? Tapos walang nangyari. This seminar, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna have 7% words, but we have language with emotion, because at the end of the day, when you want to live in a very effortless, ease and flow life. Maganda ba yun? When you say effortless, ease and flow life, when the things that you want will just happen in front of you. Yes or yes? Is it possible? Yes or yes? Oh, you bet. Why? Because as normal human being, a lot of us has a lot of disbelief. But as nature, we are capable of whatever people who did miracle in the past. Sabi nga ng New Testament, sabi ni Christ, okay lang ba to quote something? Even to the least among you. When say least among you, pinakapangit, pinakabobo, to the least among you can do the things that I have done, even greater things. Sabihin mo sa kanila mo, friend, watch me later. I will turn water into wine. Pwede, pwede. Pwede, pwede. Promise niya yun eh. Except lang, we just have to make sure what we know should match how we feel. Tama ba? But how we feel should match how we move. But you have to get into that system. You have to throw yourself out. That's I love it. The moment you came in here, you were dancing like crazy. Great job. Why? Because you have to get out from here to here to here. Because the moment the body, heart, and mind freely flows, then that's where congruency is. When I say congruency, you're moving into the natural flow of the frequency of the energy of your Creator. That's where your spirit lives. Again, disclaimer, this is not a religious seminar. I don't practice any particular religion. But what I truly believe, we are all equal in the eyes of our Creator. I call Him God. Whoever you call Him, I respect and honor you. Stay on your lane. But give yourself permission to be happy and excited about this. Are you with me? Yes. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Most of them, I own 10%, 20%, 49%. Why? I was invited to be part owner. That's what exponential is. But here's the thing. Ang bit-bit ko is my context of who I am as a person of putting in ROSE, rate of self-evolution. And I'm so blessed because despite of all of this engagement I have, I am still able to go anywhere I want. This is a very important photo because ako po yan, no? During the ROSE, rate of self-evolution. During the pandemic, I tested it out. Can I be in Siargao? Can I be in Bohol? Work. And it's happening. And this is very important photo for me because one of my dreams is to really go really deep, swim with all of these sardines. But here's the part. Asi was the best part. I'm able to live anywhere I want. Okay, so that is where I live in Manila. On Sunday, I'll be home in my rainforest home in Lucban, Quezon. Because this is one thing I want you to understand, SDG 30. Agenda 2030. That if you are still dependent on your electricity, in the matrix, or your water supply, your food, you're out of the game. And that's what I'm putting out as my new project. Building communities, sustainability. And part of that, in one, would you like to know me personally? Yes. In one picture, this is ganap ng buhay ko. And it's been a loving, most beautiful life I cannot even imagine living. Ask me why. Why? It's not by might, which is not by hard work, nor by power, which is your own intelligence, but when you live of the Spirit of your Creator. where you can now start to create that life. People like you, and the only people like you is when you like yourself. Now, that's only 55%. 38% is your emotion. How many percent? 38. So which means it's not just likability, but it's your also level of connectability. What's the word? 38% of your success, 38% of people subscribing to you is your level of connectability. Which means, can people feel you? Can people feel that you care? Because at the end of the day, words are useless not unless you go to your emotion. You guys like listening to Coach Russ? Yes or yes? You want to know why? I have a full range of emotion. I can be angry. I can also be funny. Up until you start to see that. But here's the thing. Most of us, habang lumalaki, lumiliit ang emotion. Ask me why. Nasaktan ka lang once upon a time and you judge everyone in this world traitor. Huwag ganyan. Sabihin mo sa karap mo, friend, i-release mo na kasi si X. Lunes nang tayo'y hindi nyo alam yung kanta nyo, mga social pala to. So in a moment, we will see if you have access to all emotion. As Filipino, kaya wala tayong pagbabago, ask me why. We create humor around the things that we should be angry about. I'm not sure if you're angry about the DPWH because I am. But yet we create humor around it. And that is not okay. Not okay. Not to hate it, but again, never again. Wala pang nangyayari. Why? Because maybe we forget to feel. So in a moment, there's an invitation. Okay? The invitation here is to check in with yourself. How much access do I have with the emotions that a lot of people don't have access with? Such as anger. Sino dito, okay, inutangan ka na, siniraan ka pa, nagkita kay sa mall, niyakap ka lang, nagsabi, sorry friend, ano sabihin mo?
Okay lang.
Plastic. Hindi siya okay, but we were just trained to be okay with the things that are not really okay. Which reliability will depend on number one. Please write this, knowledge. Do you have the necessary advanced knowledge that you are the go-to? And I'm not transformational coach Russ without me having the knowledge from all of the things that I'm talking about. Yeah, I was in Silicon Valley for Exponential University. I was also in MIT Boston for organization of learning organization. Every year I go out, I invest $100,000 for myself. Ask me why. Because knowledge, especially the advanced, will bring you advance. And here's the thing, you don't have to spend. There's AI. Number two, skills, kakayanan. So I'm not just here as a facilitator. I'm a coach. I'm a consultant. I also teach yoga. I also teach a lot of things that I teach, buddy. So ang dami kong kakayanan. Kung sa artista pa, kaya kong maghubad, kaya kong mag-comedy, lahat yan, kaya ko, theater, pwedeng gawin. Kasi inaral ko. Number three, experience. Gather as much experience as you can. Be open. Do not judge something else, not unless you experience it. But the most important part here, if you want to scale your business, 10x, effortless. Would you like to know what it is? Leadership. Specifically, letter A, leadership of the Gen Z and Gen Alpha. 90% of your client will be coming from this generation. 90% of your workforce will be coming from this generation. Would you like to know average age of people who I employ in my organization? Yes. Pinakamatanda, 22. Pinakabata, 15. They're the most brilliant. And here's the thing. We don't pay them. We call it apprenticeship. And that's explain all my business partners are the owners of all of those companies. Why? These are people who I trained since they were 18. Right now, they're 32 or 33. Tomorrow, I won't be here because I have 3 programs. But somebody who I raised from age 21, right now he's 32, he will be speaking to you. and also experiencing the same kind of experience. Good or good? Ask me how. Leadership factory. Last but not the least, for your, I should say, reliability is your personal brand. And congratulations. Why? Because you're in for a good treat in next 3 days. Because you're gonna build your personal brand here. Pinapalakpakan natin lahat. So which means, okay, your level of likability, done. Your level of connectivity, done. Reliability. But here's the thing. How many of you here, yung 20 years mo na dream, hindi siya nangyari on the 20th year, pero binigay siya ng may kapal on the 10th year. Maganda, maganda. Hindi binigay na on the 10th year, pero binigay siya on the 5th year. Maganda, maganda. Hindi nangyari on the 5th year, but binigay on the 1st year. Maganda, maganda. Pero binigay on the 1st day. Maganda, maganda. Ask me how. I don't know. Only He knows. So which means your likability, your reliability, your connectivity is useless not unless your character of integrity, that you are here not just experiencing in a physical level but experiencing life on a soul level, and that is where exponential growth is. You know, January 2020, I was out in Bali to do Eat, Pray, and Love with my Bikram Yoga friends. And I fell in love. Super in love with the place. And I started declaring. Part of what I do is mastermind prayer. Can I share with you what was my prayer? I see myself as I pray to God on or before my 70th birthday. I'm living in the middle of rainforest. Walking barefoot every day. Surrounded with rice paddy. Then nag-pandemic. Then before my 50th birthday, God gave me the greatest gift that I cannot even imagine, living in a beautiful paradise that I cannot even imagine owning it. Ask me how. Connect to the source. So when you connect to the source, everything will be ease and flow. Are we all learning? Yes. Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. Can I share with you how I connect to the source? So apart from praise and worship, or maybe reading the Bible, or maybe praying the rosary, going to the Mass, the highest form for me is my mindfulness exercise. By October this year will be my 7th year anniversary, not to miss a single day from my 1-hour meditation. Because the moment I wake up every day, between 3 to 4 a.m., I seek Him first by being still and trusting Him with all my heart's desire, and He will just deliver it. When I say deliver it, you can buy the most expensive bed, but nobody can buy sleep. You can buy companion, but nobody can buy friends. You can buy the most beautiful house, but you can never buy home. When I say all of these things shall be added unto you, kusang ibibigay, hindi mo iiyakan, ibibigay when you make Him first as your priority. Are you with me?